Okay, we're going to do the same thing that we did in problem 1, but instead of using Excel, we're going to practice with the table. So to look up our critical T-score, let's just look at it. You have to know your degrees of freedom and your confidence level. So here is our degrees of freedom would be n minus 1. So we're looking at a 24 degrees of freedom. And okay, so we're going to go to 24. And we want the confidence level of 80%. So that is going to be the second column. So when we go to 24, we're going to go to the second column, and our T-score is going to be 1.318. So T is 1.318. So I've written the information given up at the top here. We need to find the standard error of the mean, or the approximate, since we don't have the population standard deviation. So the sample standard deviation is 9.5 and n is 25. So we're going to do 9.5 and we're going to divide that by the square root of 25. So that's going to be 1.9. So our upper and our lower are going to equal, I'm doing this formula here to get our confidence interval, our mean, which is 33, plus for the upper, minus for the lower, our T value, which is 1.318, times our approximate standard error. So we're going to put this in the calculator and get our interval, and we want to round to 2 decimal places. Okay, when you do that, you're going to get 30.50 and all the way up to 35.50 for your confidence interval. Okay, and what assumption needs to be made about this population? The population follows the normal probability distribution. Okay, question number 4, you will work the same way. When you're looking for your confidence interval, it's going to be 90%, and your degrees of freedom will change. For the first one, the degrees of freedom is going to be 39. So all you're going to do is find the confidence level up at the top, which is 90%, or 0.90, and you're going to go all the way down to 39. So 0.90 is the third column, and then n minus 1 would be 39, so it would be 1.685. Okay, so you're going to work that one the same way. You have the table